There's an AI video model that a lot of people are quietly calling one of the best out right now. It goes head-to-head with Sora and Veo, and unlike most of them, it generates the sound with the video in the same pass. It's called Seedance. It's made by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, and almost everywhere you find it, you have to pay. But there's one place that gives you a big chunk of it completely free. Full quality, no watermark, with audio. I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, walk you through real examples, and show you how to use it for free. Let's get straight into it. First, let me get you set up fast so you can follow along while we go. The place to get Seedance for free is Byte Plus. That's ByteDance's own official cloud and AI platform. So this is the real source, straight from the company that built the model, not some third-party reseller. Here's the quick version, and heads up, the free access is a little hidden on purpose. Head to the Byte Plus website. The first thing you'll see is a wall of paid-looking tools at the top. Ignore those, that's not where the free Seedance lives. Scroll down to the model section, expand the model list and find Seedance. We're using Seedance 1.5 Pro, the version with native sound. Click in, hit start, and go to the playground. Sign up or log in. A Google account is the fastest way, and you're in. Before you generate anything, fix a couple of settings so you don't waste your free quota. The platform often defaults to making 4 videos per prompt, which burns 4 times the resources on every test. Set it to 1. Use 720p. It's efficient and the quality holds up fine. And turn on draft mode while you're dialing in a prompt. It spits out a quick, low-res version using way fewer resources, so you can check whether your idea actually works before you spend the good quota on the full render. Once a prompt lands, turn draft mode off and generate the real one. I'll drop the link and the exact step-by-step in the description. One honest heads up. The Byte Plus interface is built for developers and businesses more than total beginners, so it's a little more technical than a one-click consumer app. Don't let that scare you off. The steps in the description walk you through it. Just know going in that it's a cloud platform, not a toy. Alright, enough talk. Let me actually show you what it can do. Let's start simple. Text to video. This is the bread and butter. You type a description, you get a clip. But here's the first thing I learned that makes a massive difference. Most people write AI video prompts like they're firing off a text message, one vague sentence, and then wonder why the result looks like garbage. Seedance rewards structure. The formula that actually works is subject, action, scene, lighting, camera movement, style, and quality. So instead of typing a girl at the beach, you'd write something like a young woman walking slowly along the shoreline at dusk, a soft breeze moving her hair, warm golden light, the camera tracking smoothly beside her, cinematic, 1080p, sharp detail, no flickering. Watch the difference. The vague version gives you something stiff and generic. The structured version gives you something that actually looks like a shot from a film. Same model, completely different result. That one habit alone is the difference between a clip you'd delete and a clip you'd actually use. Now this is the feature that genuinely sets Seedance 1.5 Pro apart, so let me hit it early. Native audio. Almost every other AI video tool gives you a silent clip. Then you go hunting for music, syncing sound effects, recording voiceover, hours of extra work for every single video. Seedance 1.5 Pro generates the audio at the exact same time as the video, in one pass. Not bolted on after, built in from the start, using a dual branch architecture that creates the picture and the sound together. And it's not just background music, it generates synchronized dialogue, sound effects, and ambient sound that actually match what's happening on screen, with real lip sync across multiple languages including English, Mandarin, and Japanese. Let me show you. Here's a clip of rain falling on a city street at night. You don't just see it, you hear the rain, the distant traffic, the ambient hum of the city, all generated automatically. And here's a character actually speaking a line. Watch the lips match the words.
You're late. Again.
For short-form content especially, this is enormous. You're getting something that's basically finished, Not a silent draft you have to build a whole soundscape around. This next one is my favorite, and it's the one that's most useful for actual work. Image to video. You take a still image, a photo, a product shot, a piece of art, feed it in, describe the motion you want, and Seedance brings it to life. So you could take a single product photo and turn it into a smooth, cinematic, rotating shot for an ad. You could take a portrait and have the person turn and speak. You could take a landscape and have the clouds drift and the water ripple. The reason this is so powerful is control. With pure text to video, you're rolling the dice on what the scene looks like. With image to video, you've already locked in exactly how it looks. You're just adding the motion. And with 1.5 Pro, you can even guide it with a first and last frame, so it knows exactly where the shot starts and ends. For anyone making product videos, ads, or branded content where things need to look a specific way, this is the mode you'll live in. Let me show you one. Here's a plain product photo of a watch on a table, and here's what Seedance does when I tell it, slow cinematic push-in on the watch, soft light reflecting off the glass, shallow depth of field, the background gently blurring. From a flat photo to something that looks like a real commercial in one generation. Here's something Seedance 1.5 Pro is specifically tuned for that most models are weak at: performance and emotion. The way subjects actually move and emote over time. A lot of AI video looks stiff. Characters move like mannequins, faces are blank, body language is off. Seedance 1.5 Pro was built to prioritize how subjects move and feel. Realistic human motion, emotional nuance, rhythm-aware movement. That makes it genuinely good at character-led scenes, dance, and anything where the performance matters as much as the visual. So you can prompt something like, a woman's face slowly shifting from worry to relief as she reads a letter. And it actually carries that emotional arc across the clip. Or a dancer moving in time to a beat, with the motion staying smooth and natural. This is the stuff that usually screams AI when it's done badly, and it's exactly what 1.5 Pro set out to fix. Last showcase, and this one's just fun. Style range. Seedance isn't locked into one look. It can swing across a huge spread of visual styles depending on what you ask for. Want photorealistic, cinematic shot on film? It does that. Want clean 3D animation like a Pixar short? It does that too. Anime, claymation, watercolor, retro VHS, hand-drawn. You just name the style in your prompt and it adapts. And because you can define the film stock, lighting, and color grading right in the text, you don't even need a reference image to lock in a specific look. Here's the same simple scene, a fox walking through a forest, rendered 4 different ways. Photorealistic, then anime, then claymation, then a soft watercolor look. Same subject, same action, totally different worlds. For creators, that's huge, because it means you can match the video to your brand's exact aesthetic, instead of being stuck with one generic AI look that screams, "This was made by a robot." By the way, if you're creating content and you're tired of manually posting everywhere, check out repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow, pick where your content comes from, pick where you want it to go, and once it's set up, repurpose.io automatically publishes it across all your platforms for you. Links in the description, go try it out. So putting all of that together, here's what you can actually make with this. Short-form social clips, vertical videos for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts with the sound already built in from a single prompt. Product and ad videos. Turn a product photo into a polished cinematic shot using image to video. Custom B-roll. Instead of digging through stock footage libraries, generate exactly the cutaway shot you need with matching ambient audio. And character-led scenes. Using the emotional performance and lip-sync dialogue to make little talking moments that don't feel robotic. Whether you're a creator, a marketer, a small business owner, or you just want to experiment, there's a real use here. And you can do all of it for free. So that's the move. Seedance 1.5 Pro is one of the best AI video models on the market right now, and it's one of the only ones that generates the sound with the video. Byte Plus is the most generous way to use it for free, straight from ByteDance, full quality, no watermark, with a free token quota to play with. Links in the description to get set up. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what you'd make with it first. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.